My name is Patrick Moss, and I started my own company called VR3 in Mexico City. I'm a co-founder. I have another founder, and we do VR and AR. Over the last few months, I would say, since we started incursioning into the world of crypto, we quickly figured out that data is king. You know, that we need to have a lot of data, especially in relation to a new business model. And I started looking at courses because I can't take that much time off from work. So this course seemed to be like a good option for a one-week boot camp. The advantage I see to this is the fact that I can just raise my hand and ask and get an immediate answer. So it felt nice sitting back in a classroom and having someone to listen to and learn something new, but also meeting other people here and understanding what they're doing and what their use cases are for big data. That seems to be like the biggest or most important aspect of all of this. I won't walk out of here like ready to do it. I think it has told me what exists, and it's up to me to fully learn it and then implement it in what I do. I would recommend it because it's convenient and because it has quality and because it's to the point.